Has this ever happened to you that you said something but the person took it in the wrong way or the person reacted in a bad way? Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, then my name is Madhurana and I welcome you to my channel. On this channel, I talk about communication. So if you want to communicate with confidence and clarity, then you are at the right place. Now, coming back to the topic which I was discussing, where I was saying that it may have happened to you that you said something, but the person did not understand it properly or took you in a wrong way and reacted badly. And this has happened because it's not only the words which you say, it's also how you sounded. Let's talk more about this and let's understand. So, what happens is when you have to say something to anyone or when you have to talk to anyone, then you think that if you choose the right words, then that's all what you have to do and that's all what is needed. But here's the truth, it's not only the words which you say, it's also your tone, your pace, and your energy. The tone, the pace, and the energy are also the components of communication and they impact the communication a lot. Because the tone or the way in which you speak transfers your emotion faster than the words. Now, let's talk about three things or three, parts which reduces your clarity. Number one is speaking too fast. When you speak too fast, then it becomes difficult for the person to follow your ideas. When you speak too fast, or when other person, let's think of it like when other person is speaking too fast, you're not able to follow what that person is saying. Similarly, when you are speaking too fast or your speed is too fast, then it becomes difficult for the person to understand what you're trying to say. Why you speak fast? You speak fast normally because you're nervous. Nervousness increases your speed. And another thing is when you speak too fast, then you lose your authority. Because when you speak slowly, you sound authoritative. You sound like a leader. But when you speak too fast, then your authority reduces. So, first thing that reduces your clarity is speaking too fast. Second thing that reduces your clarity is a flat and a monotonous tone. When you speak in a very flat and monotonous tone, then your listeners lose engagement. You know, when you're speaking too fast, there is no variation. You are completely speaking with same expressions, same tone. That actually makes your listener lose the interest in your conversation, and there is no variation in your tone. Now, the third thing that reduces your clarity is your energy. Yes, when the energy is less, then your clarity reduces. So sometimes you start with a very great energy, but your energy drops at the end and your tone is apologetic. And in such situation, your sentences sounds unsure. So that in turn reduces your clarity. So the three things that reduces your clarity are speaking too fast, speaking in a monotonous or flat tone, and your energy or when you speak in an apologetic tone. So these three things reduces your clarity. Now let's talk about three habits that helps you build confidence and helps you sound confident when you speak. First habit is speak slowly. Yes, you heard that right. You have to speak slowly in order to sound confident. So when you speak slowly, it gives the time to the listener to process what you said and thus understand what you said. And when you speak slowly, you sound composed and you sound structured. So, speaking slowly increases your confidence. The second thing that increases your confidence is the tone. There should be a natural variation in your tone. You should emphasize, you should provide a small emphasis on the keywords, on the important keywords. And that ways, if you have a natural variation in your tone, that will going to increase the engagement with the listeners and sounds you interesting and people would be interested in your conversation. The third thing that makes you sound confident is your energy. Yes, the energy which you use or the energy at which you speak is also a very important aspect which makes you sound confident or which does not make you sound confident. So, you should always speak in an energetic way, and your energy should not drop towards the end of the conversation. You should always express your thoughts fully, and your sentences should also be clear. So, that ways, those are the three ways with which you can sound confident. First, speak a little slowly. You should have a natural variation in your tone and you should speak in an energetic way. Follow these three habits, the vocal habits, and this will help you sound confident. Now let's talk about three tiny changes which you could make the next time you speak. So first is speak or reduce your speed at which you speak just by 10%. Second is add pauses. So just add small pauses of like 1 or 2 seconds in between your ideas. And the third is complete your sentences fully. So these three tiny changes will help you perceive, will help people perceive you differently. So, today we have discussed that communication or good communication is not only the words which you speak, it's also your voice or the speed at which you speak, your tone, and the energy with which you speak. These pace, tone, and energy also impacts your communication to a great extent. I hope this information is helpful to you. And if this is helpful to you, then please like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay happy always.